This is a very quick video to show you a couple of things. Here's our site without a real fancy theme. This is an actual sample blog post. Okay, what I want to do is this thing, just another WordPress site. That's called a tagline, and this is called the name of the domain. Now, these are going to be things that get picked up by the search engines. And we're going to replace them, obviously, with the logo and stuff. But initially, I don't want the search engines to index that term. So I'm going to go up here to my theme dashboard, because I'm still logged in. I don't need to re-log in this way. And I'm going to go down to Settings, General. See how I went down to Settings and then to General? Okay, this is where the blog title Learn WP is, and this is the tagline. I want this to be everything. What if I could type? I'd be dangerous. About WordPress blogs. Okay. So what I just did was I changed that tagline. So even though I'm going to replace that with a logo, the tagline is still going to be there. It's still going to be indexed by the search engine. So people are going to want to know, well, I would like to learn about WordPress blogs, or tell me everything about WordPress blogs. There's, one clue that that's what this website's about. Okay. The other thing that's important on this screen here is you want to go down to permalinks. Permalinks is kind of like how you control your link structure. And there's a lot of different ways and different perspectives. And this is, again, another thing that is very important to search engine optimization. You want your link structure because of the way the title tags are added to your website. You want to make sure you use just this option right here, post name. You don't want anything more complex than that, because that just kind of shortens down the user's ability to see what your site's about. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put post name and the URL and just that particular thing, and hit save. Now, as I add additional pages to the site, they're going to be learn wppro.com/whatever. So that gives it kind of a more normal structure. So we want to make sure that .whatever or sample post is always some keyword-rich thing that people are going to be searching for. So the first post is how to build a blog. It'll be learn wppro.com install blog. And that will tell the search engines that that's what that's about. Now we're going to do a lot of simple SEO modifications to this website as we go forward, but I wanted to take you through that real simple kind of just making it so that your tagline is better and just setting up your permalinks. Those are two really important things to do. Now you see how right now it says everything about WordPress blog. What I'm going to do is lower this theme down. So what you're going to see here, up here, this is the title tag right here. That's what we call the title tag. That is what Google and Bing and those guys are going to see about your site. So they're going to see this. First thing they're going to index is Learn WP Pro, everything about WordPress. And if your content is all about how to build a blog, how to do this, and there's some content congruity, you're posting content that's unique, which everything I do is, and is relevant to that particular topic, it's going to start to develop what we call authority, which is going to drive traffic to the site. Anyhow, I wanted to show you that part, and on to the next video.